So we were talking about beam angles. You know, how wide is that light being thrown out? And so every kit has two modifiers, two different lenses. So this is a 30-degree lens, and this is a 15-degree lens, and it says it right on it, so you don't get confused. It's etched right into the glass. So that's another way that makes his system so adaptable, so flexible, right? I got the one fixture. I can play with the lenses. I can play with the lamp. The fixture itself can be moved, and then of course there's a hinge right here where we can adjust the angle that the light shines at. So we've got a lot of flexibility. And then hold this for a second. Here's our cord, right? And we come in here, and it's indexed. It's impossible to put this in the wrong way because there's two flat spots that line up. They line up. You twist it. Done. Never gonna be a problem with this joint. It's so well engineered. So our points of failure, to recap, were the joint, the wire itself, really tough wire, 12 gauge copper inside, and then the fixture. Everybody's seen the aluminum base fixture that has the black powder coated flaking off it. Solid brass. It's not happening.
The only thing I keep thinking about is every house that I go to, they haven't been introduced into coastal source lighting yet,
Yep.
as you have now.
Yep.
Every house has these solar lights that everybody kicks,
Oh my God.
and they're always half broken and in the ground. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah,
You're laughing.
the Home Depot special.
And it's like, whoever they come from.
Yeah.
But I know people they replace them every year. And it's got to
Right.
be a few $100
Right.
to do big walkways. And with this, one time, like you said, one time,
Right.
done.
Maintenance free. Look, there is a radical cost difference, but there's also a radical performance difference. The light output of these is 10x, or could be, with the right bulb that you pick, and the right fixture. Way more light.
But is
way
there a
more
cost
light
difference if I have to replace them every year for 5 years, or 10 years, or
Yeah,
15
yeah,
years?
yeah.
This you tell me this is brass.
But what about but what about the hassle of doing that? Going to the store,
more time
buying
and
it,
money. Yeah.
yeah,
It's a conversation,
yeah.
right?
Look, it's not for everybody, and people are going to have different tastes. Some people are going to want to light at the front of the house. Some people are going to want to light at the back of the house. Some people are going to want to do both. Some people are going to want a lot of light. Some people aren't going to want much light at all. Coastal Source has a solution. This is their major fixtures. They have many other solutions. They have in-tree lights. They have a whole series of niche lights. They have lights that we put into concrete walls when they're being built. Oh, they got a ton of things.
I just think the most important part was the way you led off with this, with your 3 points, because you're watching this video because you're interested in landscape lighting. And when you go to the next video, you go out to the store, you're searching, just ask you the 3 questions that Tom put out on the table originally, which was,
right, the joint.
Does it have,
how is that connection being made?
right, what's the connection on my outdoor light?
Yep.
The next one,
How tough is the wire?
the wire, when you go to bury it.
Yep.
After years and years of erosion, it's got to go through the brick for the patio, it's got to go through the wood porch,
Yeah.
whatever it is.
Yep.
And then,
Finally, the fixture itself.
not
Solid
how it
brass.
looks.
No, not how it looks.
It looks
Construction.
beautiful.
When you pick this
Yeah,
up, it is heavy. It is solid. It is really something special. So we're excited. We think that we have found a product that is going to put smiles on people's faces. Right? Once again, we're in the business of smiles. This is one way we get to it. We're super excited about it. We hope you are too. If you want to learn more about landscape lighting, call me up. Tom Kernan, Bravo AV. We're right in the Burnersville Center, right on Route 202, right next to Gary's Liquor. Love to have you come by. We could talk about landscape lighting, but we also have the demo kit, and we can make arrangements to come to your house and set up a demo kit.
Absolutely. Good stuff.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. It's Tom Kern from Bravo AV here with my
Rob from
good
National
friend
Smart
Rob. Yes, Rob.
We're really good friends now that you got Coastal Source Lighting.